The former governor of Kaduna State, Malam Nasir El-Rufai, said he wants another Southerner to replace President Bola Ahmed Tinubu in 2025. The embattled chieftain of the ruling All Progressive Congress APC stated this on Monday night while speaking on Arise News Channel's prime time show Leadership Report. He also addressed the alleged lopsided appointment by President Tinubu in favor of the Southwest, saying that the president was rather favoring his boys in appointment but not the Yorubas. Well, these have generated a lot of reactions. El-Rufai has not told Nigerians why he feels President Tinubu should be replaced in 2027. The only growth he has expressed is about how the APC has diverted from the visions of the founding fathers. How does that suffice her for his seeking Mr. President's replacement? It is possible to fool some people sometimes, but quite impossible to fool all the people all the time. For me, I see El-Rufai struggling to stay on float politically, and he possesses the wherewithal to go around merrily. It is his right. What is his problem? He's supposed to be ashamed of himself. He was brain behind Buhari and Tinubu. Now, it did not favor him. He has come to put us into more problems. I thank God Biafra has come. Shame on Nigerians. These are reactions from Nigerians. Only Aboki like you can take El-Rufai words as truth, because some of you are with cow brain. He's only after his own selfish interest. Whether Buhari was there as president of Nigeria, that did not complain. Okay, I believe he wants to say when Buhari was there as a Nigerian president. So guys, Nigerians have reacted after El-Rufai said he wants to replace President Bola Ahmed Tinubu with another Southern president, not even President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. So to him, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, he just have one, one term to go. So after that, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu will carry, a load to waka. But you see, just Nigerian presidency, they don't reply him. And before we hit that Nigerian presidency reaction of El-Rufai, don't forget that he was one of those people who actually stated that, or who actually stood for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. If you can remember, during rally, they drove Labour Party from Kaduna State. He even said it publicly that Peter Obi cannot become Nigerian president. Today, they are looking for Peter Obi left, right, and center. Well, the Nigerian presidency has fired back at the former Kaduna State Governor El-Rufai over his public outcry regarding his failed ministerial nomination, telling him to stop crying like a baby whose bread was stolen and move on. The presidential aide Bayo Ononoga, the special advisor to President Bola Tinubu on information and strategy, made the remark on Tuesday while appearing on Channels TV's Sunrise Daily, which Sahara reporters monitored. As a person, I think I will pity the former governor of Kaduna State, Nasir El-Rufai, if he's hurt that he was made a minister. I think that he was not made a minister. I think it is time for him to move on. Ononoga said, "You cannot continue to behave like a child, as if somebody stole your bread and you are crying over split milk. It is natural for you to feel hurt. It is natural for you to feel bad for being excluded, as the president acknowledged in the birthday wish to him. Nasir El-Rufai actually helped a lot in installing President Bola Tinubu. If he's not there, it does not mean that he must bring down the roof. El-Rufai also granted an explosive interview to Arise News, where he accused President Bola Tinubu, not the National Assembly, of being directly responsible for his ministerial rejection. Please don't believe the story that the National Assembly rejected me. The National Assembly has nothing to do with it. The president did not want me in his cabinet, El-Rufai has said. So, when they hear the wahala when they so, the truth is that this 2027 presidential election, it go tough. You understand? The thing go tough well. I dey drop out for here. Abeg, drop your comment below the comment section. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Share this video, let it go viral. Let Nigerians understand what is happening today in the Nigerian political landscape. Thank you, and bye.